Roman soldiers brushed their teeth with urine. Sounds wild, but in ancient Rome, pee was a prized cleaning agent, and they used it as mouthwash to keep their teeth white and mouths fresh. Urine contains ammonia, a powerful natural cleanser that breaks down stains and kills some bacteria. Back then, nothing else worked as well to brighten their smiles and fight bad breath. It wasn't just a household hack, public urinals collected the stuff for laundries and personal hygiene. People even paid a tax for the privilege of collecting urine, which was so valuable it became a thriving business. So next time you grab your Mindy toothpaste, remember that Roman soldiers relied on something far less pleasant, and they genuinely believed it was the secret to a healthy, dazzling grin.